Hello guys, welcome to Become a Techie YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn about Excel templates. So a template is something that can be reused and has a base structure, layout built. The main idea of a template is reusability. So when we say a template, we can just modify or change the values and then our template is ready, our Excel worksheet is ready. We don't have to again and again create the structure or layout of the worksheet. For example, the monthly budget Excel worksheet that we are creating, we have created a layout for it. Like I have a header, I have various bills, I have various months like Jan, Feb, March, and I have total, I have percentage, then I have min, max, average, count, everything I have. But for example, if I want to create another sheet for next 3 months like April, May and June, or for example I want to create a similar kind of worksheet for next year's January, February and March months, then I mean, do I need to create the entire sheet from scratch and add everything? So the answer is no. Creating it from scratch is a waste of time. We can save lots of time by just reusing this existing template. By saving it as a template and then reusing, it will save lots of time. In that case, we can just enter our values of expenses and then our Excel worksheet is ready. So how do we create a template? For that, first of all, we should remove these values or delete these values. So select select all these values and hit delete. Similar is for all these, just hit a delete. So this is our basic structure, okay, where we can add our values and then we can modify or get our budget. Okay, so this is our template, our basic structure. Okay, this is called as a template. Now when I want to save this as a template, what I can do is I can go here and save as. I can save it as a template. So Excel gives me an option to save as a template by using this option. The extension here is .xltx. So that is the template extension that Excel provides. So we have to choose that extension and then it will be saved in this location. So this is the default location, that is under documents, under custom office templates. So it will be stored there. So be sure make a note of it that it will be stored at this particular location. So this is how we can save and create our own customized templates. So now when you want to create a similar kind of worksheet, you don't have to make it from scratch. You just can open this worksheet, open this template from here. You can just go, actually it is coming in the recents now here, but you can also go here in open and then here you can see this, okay, in custom office templates. Okay, also when you go here in new section under personal, you can see this monthly budget template that is listed here. So you can just click on it and open. Now in my case it will not open because it's already opened, so it will not open, but you can see it is listed under the personal category, okay, or personal tab. Okay, so first is the office tab, where you have a list of already built in templates that Excel provides you. If you scroll down, you can see various templates like basic business invoice, household monthly budget, and n number of templates are already existing, and you can also search for online templates here. Okay, but when you go to the next tab, that is personal, so you can see here the customized template that you have created appears here. Okay, it is listed here. So this is how you can create a personal customized template and then you can use it or reuse it again and again. Okay, the important point was to save it with the .xltx extension and make a note that it gets saved in the documents under the custom office templates folder. Okay, These two are the important points to be noted. The next point is using a template that is already built in for us by Excel. Okay, so just go here and I am choosing this, okay, personal monthly budget. Okay, I am just clicking on it and then it will open. Okay, yeah, so it will open something like this for me. And okay, just let's go back, file, open, sorry, new, and office. Here for example I want to okay, I want to open this household monthly budget. So when I click on it first time, I will get this create option here. I have to select or click on this and then I will be able to see it in the this template will open and then I am able to edit it. Okay, for the previous template that I have shown you, actually I have edited it previously, so that's the reason I didn't get that create option. It directly opened. Okay, so for this budget overview template, I got that create option and then after hitting the create option I was able to see it. Okay, so now you can see here already some values are entered, some calculations are already being done. So we can just, you can see projected balance, so it is the projected income minus projected expenses. So all these values are already entered. If you want to modify it, you can just change some values here. Income actual, for example, I am changing it to like 6,800. okay, so you can see total income is changed now, and here also you can see the value has changed. So this is how a template works, where you can see, so here also the values have been changed, the total income values have been changed. Okay, similarly you have another sheet here that is for summary. Okay, so in summary also you can see, this is a beautiful template that Excel has provided to us. So you can play around it, you can change the values, like here okay, this is something else, projected cost. Okay, so we can just modify the values. So this is a pivot table that they have given. In monthly expenses also they have projected cost, actual cost difference, and so on. So this is how you can play with the templates. You can make them more interactive, make them more useful according to your need. So this is how templates work in Excel. Please play with it, please explore more and more templates and make the most use of it. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe, as it will really help me. So please subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you, bye.